Let's start with Bank of Africa. It has shown an increment of 73%. What can the other banks learn from Bank of Africa?
Thank you so very much, Fenly. The observation about Bank of Africa is very, very impressive. Doing a double digit as high as that in a market that has been in a recession mainly is a great achievement. And some of the lessons that we can learn from Bank of Africa, first of all, is their strategy, which has been basically concentration on small and medium enterprises as well as retail banking, and also being a bit conservative in terms of branch network. It does not have very many branches in the country.
Let's take a look at CFC Stanbic's results that's also out. They've shown a profit level of 5%. What attributed to that?
Well, 5% profit level mainly has been boosted a lot mainly by the customer deposits as well as interest income from most of their revenues that they collect from interest, and also mainly because of the merger they have benefited a lot from a lot of the media of the young professionals who are taking advantage of some of their products like mortgages as well as asset financing.
Well, a lot of banking results have come out over the past few weeks, and we're going to see further results coming out. What is the outlook for the banking sector going forward?
Well, Fenly, I must admit, outlook for the banking sector looks a bit of a challenge, especially noting that banks had been doing excellently well most of last year. This year, we are seeing a lot of new entrants. Bank of Africa is planning to expand. We're also having Nigerian banks which will be joining the industry. So that is causing a bit of a strain on some of the revenues as most of these banks are gaining. And also mainly with what is happening in terms of the economy, their revenues, especially from interest income, are also challenged.
All right, and just before we go, how do you expect the market to close tomorrow?
Tomorrow we might continue seeing the bearish trend, and we hope that we are going to at least sustain the 3,000 support level.
All right, Samuel Wachira of Drummond Investment Bank, thank you so much for chatting to us.